In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on LinkedIn and change that passkey if needed. So whether you're new to LinkedIn security features or just need a refresher, stay tuned as we walk through the process step by step. To start, navigate to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. Then look for an option labelled Settings and Privacy. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you'll find various settings options for your account. Next, in the left-hand menu, you'll see an option called Sign In and Security. Click on this option to proceed. Within the Sign In and Security section, you will find another option specifically for passkeys. Select this as it's the core focus of today's tutorial. On the subsequent page, you'll be given the option to create a passkey by clicking on Create a Passkey. This is an efficient way to enhance the security of your LinkedIn account while minimizing the hassle of frequent password changes. At this point, you'll need to type in your account password as a verification step before you can proceed to create the passkey. Once you've typed in your password, confirm your intention by clicking the Create a Passkey button. LinkedIn will then send a verification code to your registered email address. Make sure to check your inbox for this 6-digit code, which is essential for continuing the process. Once you've received the code, return to your LinkedIn tab and enter it in the designated area before clicking on Submit. With the verification step complete, you'll now choose where to save your passkey. Options might include a Google Password Manager, Windows Hello, or an external key, such as a phone or tablet. Now that your passkey is created, let's talk about how to change it if the need arises. Start by returning to the passkey section we've already discussed. To change your passkey, you simply need to click Remove Current Passkey. After this, follow the same steps we used to create a new passkey. Enter your account password once more for verification. Click Create Passkey, enter the 6-digit code sent to your email, and choose your preferred method to save the new passkey. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and change a passkey on LinkedIn. Implementing these security measures will help keep your account more secure, giving you peace of mind as you network and connect with others on the platform. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick guide on managing your LinkedIn passkeys.